Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's quick and easy card making tutorial, we're going to go from scraps to cards in minutes. So dig out your scraps and items from your stash and let's get started. So today we're making an easy A2 size card, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4, and I have already lined it on the inside, and I have trimmed 3 pieces. One piece of cardstock at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, another piece of cardstock at 4 by 5 1/4, and some paper, and this is by Heidi Swap, and that one has been trimmed to 3 5/8 by 4 3/4. You can use stamps and dies from your stash. I'll be using the Paper Discovery by Olga Direktorenko stamps and dies from their card builder. And I will go ahead and link you to those items in the description area right underneath this video. You may glue your designer paper directly onto your cardstock. I like to make things a little bit dimensional, so I'll be using some fun foam for my Heidi Swap paper. That way it comes out a little bit dimensional on the top. And with some double-sided tape, you'll adhere the 2 pieces of cardstock together. And once that part is done, you may adhere your cardstock to your card base using some double-sided tape. And once you've attached your dimensional front to your card, it is now time to add the embellishments and the sentiment. It is that easy, it is that simple, my friends. So I hope that you've enjoyed my quick and easy card making tutorial. I hope that it inspires you to shop your stash and use those scraps. And so yeah, let me know in the comment section below how you like my card making tutorial. And yeah, there are pictures at the end, and I will go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit right about here. And yeah, remember to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I will see you once again real soon.